here. How are you today? Oh, this is going to be a great video. You're going to absolutely love this. I am going to be doing a get ready with me with a full face of cream products. Yes, did you know right now that's the fountain of youth, or the cream products? It makes us look trendy, much younger, very modern, if you will. So I'm going to see if I can't tackle this, okay? And those of you that are new to my channel today, I welcome you. Please feel free. I invite you to scroll on down, hit that subscribe button. You're going to be a member of my tribe, girlfriends. And go ahead and click the bell while you're at it. It'll inform you of my upcoming videos. I generally film twice a week. Every single person, I want to stay tuned till the end of the video, because I have the winners to announce of the 2 Jade rollers by the Gender Company. So, hang in there, girlfriends, and here we go. Okay, my ladies, I started with my Chanel Ultra Le Teint, if you will. It is the new Chanel foundation that I told you replaced the Perfectionist that I was using. I absolutely love this. It is given me just the most gorgeous coverage ever, and I'm wearing it now. It's nice, it's creamy, it's quick, and it seals. Because of this, I don't need to set the foundation. It pretty much sets itself. Okay, now I did my eyebrows in a cream instead of my pencil. Even though my pencil is very creamy, it's Anastasia, which I will show you in just a minute. But I used the It Cosmetics Blonde, and it's the little paste, and I colored it in with a brush. And I also used my Laura Geller liquid little pen that put the drawing of the little hairs here. So that is all I have on. As far as my eyes are concerned, I did put my Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I did not set it. I just used my makeup brush and pressed in my concealer. Okay, so now we're ready to begin our cream products. The first thing I want to tell you about is we're going to talk a little Tatcha primer right now. And the reason we're going to talk about this is months back, and I mean months back, Elle Leary showed that this could be a great eye primer, obviously, since it's for your face and it's a primer. If you mix it with a powdered eyeshadow, you can make your own cream eyeshadow. Girlfriends, we're going to try that, okay? I mean, if anybody can mess it up, it'd be me, right? But this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to take my Tatcha primer, and as you can see, I have been playing with this, and it's working beautifully. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is to take an eyeshadow. This is the Color Pop, and it's in the color Drift. Now this is one of the most unique colors I've ever seen. I absolutely love it. Can you see that it's kind of a pinky purple? Oh my gosh, is that not to die for? Wait till you see it. This is going to be my eye color. We're going to use one eye color in the cream on each eye. Alright, so I'm going to take the end of a brush like this, just my regular end of one of my brushes, it doesn't even matter which one. I'm going in to my Tatcha, and I'm just going to scrape up some primer on the end of the brush. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. As you can see now, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to scrape up some of the Color Pop color. Now I'm going to put it right here with that primer and mix it together. Yep, just mix it with the end of the brush is fine. It's going to be gorgeous. I'm going to take this little brush, and this is a MAC brush. It is a synthetic brush, and I'm going to put it into the color here, and I'm going to apply this color Starting with, now be very careful with this, because I'm going to do my bubble effect that I have shown you all before in some of my videos, and I'm going to use the one color bubble effect. So I'm going to pat this across. And remember what I've told you, we're making like a bubble with it. And I'm bringing it on up, patting it, bringing it up to the crease. Boy, you know this is going to make my eyes just pop. Okay, now we're going to take a regular brush, like a blending brush. Now, you have some time here, so try to get it as even as you can. You can bring it up just a little higher if you want, because we're going to be blending it across that brow bone. Okay, now we're just going to take any kind of synthetic brush, and I'm just going to start doing my windshield wipers like I do, and bring it up a little higher, up on the brow bone, just the edge here. Where it gets a little faded, we can pull it out. See what I'm talking about? Isn't that gorgeous? Do my eyes look super blue? Yes, they do. Alright, now let's try doing the other eye, okay? So we're going into our color here. And we're going to start with the bubble effect again. Gosh, this color's to die for, my ladies. Okay, we're going up in that crease with it. Okay, and pick up that synthetic brush again. And now we're just going to do the windshield wiper motions right above it to take it up to the brow bone to act as a transition color. It's almost like it's fading into it. But if you have hooded eyes, this is going to be a godsend. Okay, girls? And believe it or not, that's as simple as it gets. It is that easy, let me tell you right now. Now, the next thing I want to do, excuse me a minute, let me get some of this off my hands, is we're going to go under the eye and pull it all together. So, I'm going back in with my little brush. And just line underneath, or you kind of bring it up together. Just such a pretty color. Yeah. Okay, pretty soon we'll put some mascara on, but before we get to that, I want us to get to some other things. Alright, so we have our eyes completely done. They look fabulous. We have them blended up. Looks great. Now let's talk about, we're not going to, today we're not going to contour, but you can. You could take a cream contour and just make a couple of short lines right here and blend it, you know, with the brush, blend it out, and it'll be just gorgeous. But because it's summer, I don't do a lot of contouring during the summer, very light. I put a lot of bronzer on, but we're getting to all that. Alright, so let's talk about some highlighting first. Now everybody knows that we're going to use the Dandelion Benefit Shy Beam. This is my very favorite. I've told you all about it 100 times. Because I don't like a real luminous highlighter, I go for the Shy Beam because it's more matte. So this is a little different method than we usually use, and a few different steps, so work with me here. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of take this way, okay, about the same as we usually do when I'm using powdered foundations and eyeshadows, okay. I'm just going to take it here, and then I'm going to pick up my damp Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to pounce that in. Just pounce that in. Ooh, can you see how pretty that is? The highlighter, but it's not just in your face. There you go. Okay, now because we're working with creams, we want a cream eyeshadow, right girls? We can take some of our favorite eyeshadows and also mix it with your primer, your Tatcha primer. You could use Urban Decay primer. You could use any primer you want to do, use this method. But for right now, we're going to talk about a blush, a cream blush. Now, for instance, this is a CYO Stick Blush that I've had, okay? It looks like this on the hand. It's kind of a pinky coral. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit on the cheeks here, and I'm putting it basically, just dabbing it right under the highlighter that I used. Alright, now I'm also going to pick up this Beauty Blender, and I'm going to push like this. I'm going to push this color into my cheeks. Now you can add more, you can make it as vivid as you like. I'm working mine kind of up and into that highlighter. Okay? You want to try a little more? You want to try a little darker shade? No problem. Alright, let's pick that stick up again. By the way, you can use lipstick. You can use any type of cream eyeshadows. My gosh, let's see. NYX, I think, has got some. Every makeup line almost has cream shadows. Let's try a little bit more so you can get the effect. I think I'll put a little on my chin because I can. Okay. And see how nice this blends? It just blends real easily. See how pretty that is? There you go, girls. Okay, so I have my blush on. I have my eyes done. Alright, now all I lack is I've got to put some mascara on. So let's work right now on the mascara, okay? Okay, the next thing I'm going to put, I need a little light right in here. Okay, and so you say, well gosh, Sharon, most of those are shimmers. Well, yes. But there's also the Skinny Dip in this pretty silver color. Comes in all colors. I've got them all. I'm going to pick this little silver color. Pull out the applicator. I'm going to put that right on my hand here. I'm picking up a pencil brush. All right, a little small pencil brush. All right, so I take the pencil brush and I just rub it in here. Rub it in this shimmer, and I'm going in right here, and putting a little shimmer in. And then over here I'm going to do the same. Okay, and there we go. All right, the next thing we've got to do is, what are we going to do about the lashes? Okay, girlfriends, so we're going to put on some mascara. I'm going to go do that and put on my lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay, my ladies, pull these curls down, shake them out a little bit. Pull the top of this out. And this is the full face cream look. Not too bad, is it? It looks fresh. It looks like summertime. I love the eyes. I love this ColourPop color and drift. I love that we can make our own cream eyeshadows with primers or any other little tricks you've got sitting around. So if you like this look, give me a big thumbs up. I enjoyed doing it for you. Thank you so much for being with me today. All of these products will be listed down below. And believe me, girlfriends, it's easy peasy, okay? Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love all you new subbies. Thank you so much. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. By all means, hit that little bell. Be notified of my upcoming videos. I film twice a week. To each and every one of you, I want you to stay sassy, classy, and confident. And give me a big thumbs up on this video.